I am here to tell you about the key features of the CSP18-72H 530 to 545 watt solar module series developed by CSUNPOWER technology. This powerful series with up to 545 watts peak maximum power is one of our most efficient products. Adoption of the latest high-efficiency technologies such as multi-bus bar design and half-cells architecture allow these to provide excellent conversion efficiency of up to 21.10%. Besides, this series can reduce levelized costs of energy and save balance of system costs significantly. Large size 182mm half-cut cells considerably benefit modules' performance. Innovative half-cell design minimises resistive losses and provides higher shade tolerance, ensuring efficient performance even in low light conditions, and large size cells considerably increase the power output. Additionally, split cells are more physically durable than their conventional counterparts. Smaller size of the half-cut cells naturally reduces mechanical stress and provides better resistance to microcracking. Another benefit of a half-cut design is a lesser risk of hotspots. Doubling the number of strings in half-cell modules means only half as much heat for a hotspot, which would be less damaging to the panel. Cell's performance is further improved by the 10 bus bars layout. Higher number of bus bars shorten the path for electrical current, significantly lowering resistance losses, which improves efficiency. Balanced power output is guaranteed by positive power tolerance from 0% to plus 5%. Robust design with an IP68 rated junction box, well protected from dust and water ingress, and 3.2mm tempered low iron high transmission anti-reflective glass ensures reliable protection of the module's components from environments. Product's reliability is further confirmed with a range of industry standard certifications such as IEC 61730 and IEC 61215 by the TÜV Certification Bureau, European CE, Brazilian Inmetro, Australian CEC and Japanese JPEA. Warranty terms for this product are 12 years product warranty and 25 years linear performance warranty. Our packing configuration for this module series is 31 modules per pallet and 620 pieces in a 40-foot high cube container. We can provide fast delivery for our customers from our warehouses around the world in China, Netherlands, Japan, Vietnam and Pakistan. Our payment terms are 30% by telegraphic transfer as prepayment at the order and balance 70% by telegraphic transfer or letter of credit paid after receipt of the bill of lading scan. CSUNPOWER technology, founded in 2004, is a world-leading solar module manufacturer and comprehensive solar solutions provider. Besides headquarters and production facilities in China, we also established branches in the USA, Japan, Vietnam and Pakistan. Equipped with advanced full auto module production lines, we specialise in highly efficient solar modules production, research and distribution to the global market, and by the end of 2020, we cumulatively shipped more than 10 gigawatts of solar modules to more than 50 countries around the world and developed and built more than 500 megawatts of solar projects.